Hi guys, I'm back again with another video, and today we're going to do the review of Philips portable Bluetooth speaker BT3901G. Yes guys, this is the elder brother to the Philips speaker that I reviewed earlier, and that speaker was a 7-watt speaker and this is a 12-watt speaker. There are many similarities and a few differences from the little red speaker that I reviewed some time back. So let me tell you the similarities. They both have metallic mesh in front, Philips branding, rubber feet at the bottom, right? And now the similarities end. And what is not similar to that speaker are the two passive bass radiators are in front. The speaker is 12 watts rated. The music control is in front. I mean, the power key, the play pause, the answer call key, plus volume, minus volume. This is a LED for indication when it's charging, so it turns red. And this one is a Bluetooth connectivity key, which turns solid when it's connected to your mobile device and it starts blinking when it needs to connect to a mobile device. Right guys? So metallic grill, Philips branding, and the rubber foot that are very similar to the speaker that I reviewed earlier. And now I shall make you hear the sound quality. So now let me turn on the speaker. So this review is nothing much because I've already reviewed the speaker, the earliest one. It's very similar to that. Just the sound quality is bigger as well as the speaker. So let's hear some music. So yes guys, Philips has finally done a good job and bringing out two of the best speakers right now in the market. The Philips BT2505R and the Philips BT3901G, which is this one. It's a completely awesome speaker, guys. Trust me, these two bass radiators create some serious amount of bass. The sound quality is again very crystal clear. You're just gonna love this speaker. As I said in my earlier review of that speaker, you can play EDM, hip hop, house music, dubstep music. It doesn't matter. The volume at 100% does not distort. That's the best thing about the speaker. And the battery life. The battery life on the speaker, I got somewhere around 4.5 hours at 100% volume and about 5 hours at 80% volume. There's only a half an hour difference because it's a big speaker. For that, I just got about 5 hours at 80% volume. The battery size is the same, is 1000 mAh on this battery, and it takes again 3 hours to completely charge from 0 to 100. It takes about 3 hours to completely charge. Right guys? But one thing is very different from this speaker. One major difference is this flap. If you can see this flap, behind this flap, it's a waterproof flap. It's got a micro SD card slot, an auxiliary input, and a micro USB port for charging. And this flap is for being waterproof. Yes guys, this speaker is waterproof. It's IPX4 rated, so that it means it can take accidental splashes of water. It won't go bad, but do not submerge it underwater or purposely throw water on it. It might get damaged. Right guys? So guys, I am just in awe of this speaker. Finally, Philips has done a good job. And it's a thumbs up from Tech Dude Varun to Philips. Right? So guys, this was my review for the Philips Bluetooth speaker.